I forgot to have the music on when I changed scenes. So let's start it over. I know it's after Christmas, but Merry Christmas. I hope everybody had a wonderful, wonderful Christmas if you celebrate it. Of course, if you don't, I hope you had a great Sunday. So, just decided to get up on here, stream however long I can, and yeah. Alright, turn the music down. Yeah, just kind of stream. Just kind of chill, you know. Maybe go over the charts a little bit. I haven't planned this out at all. I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna hop on and stream. What I really want to do, because I'm psychotic, I guess. I would live stream. I would love to live stream every day, all day. Like 8 hours. Like that's my work day. Is just streaming. Not just doing crypto, doing other stuff as well. Doing some stocks, doing some regular finance. Getting away from that and just doing pure entertainment. Maybe go into Twitter, crypto Twitter. Just Twitter in general. Go over there and go over stuff. Maybe talk some politics. You know, I know a lot of channels like to stray away from politics. At least a little bit. You know, it's no secret that crypto is very libertarian, has a very libertarian audience, right? So, that's just the way the Bitcoin was promoted to people, or not like promoted, but, you know, advertised to people, was and anti-censorship, anti-government money. So that's the whole purpose of it. Decentralized, anti-censorship, anti-government money that doesn't need a third-party intermediary to transact. You feel me? So this is a very libertarian ideal because this eliminates the Fed. It eliminates central banks. That's the very idea of it all. What's up, Scar Crypto Face? What's up, Unaware Wolf? Unaware Wolf. Mike Little Low. Oh. Yeah. Da 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 da. There we go. I can actually hear myself in my headphones now, so what's up with that? Alright, so yeah, so the whole libertarian dream of crypto. Yeah, we're gonna be going over some charts, guys. I'm just gonna do some basic charting today. If you guys want me to take a look at anything, throw it up in the chat. Oh, now it's too much. Now it's too much? Is it too much now? I don't understand. My ears! Whoa! 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 Is it a joke? Are you sure it's a joke? Is it good? Is it good? Let me know. Let me know. I don't know. Alright. Anyway, just sitting here chilling. Day after Christmas. Look at XRP. XRP's pumping right now. Right as we speak. Let's drop this down. Kid's good. Kid's good. On the 5-minute. Nice little pump candle right in here. I like it. I like it. I like it. I definitely like it because I'm in a long right now. So, not financial advice. Nothing, of course, on this channel is financial advice. Unaware Wolf in the Discord chat said, streaming till my kid wakes up make you sound adult and responsible. Call it making money after you've spent it all on your kids. This is very true. Very true. But no. I want to be adult and responsible, okay? I'm trying to be that. I'm trying to bring that to crypto, okay? Some adultism and responsibility, okay? Because there's not enough of it in crypto. There's really not. I mean, I like the culture and everything, and there's nothing wrong with memeing, of course. You know, that's all fun. I got no problem with that. You know, I'm 35 years old, man. You know, gotta be an adult. Gotta be responsible. Got kids. Got 3 kids. So, all right. So, just as I thought, we are starting to see some resistance on XRP right up in this area right here. I had these drawn out pre-show. So, pre-stream, not pre-show. This isn't a show. This is just a stream. Just streaming, guys. I am just adult. Wahahaha. Same. I can't stand the Wind Moon people. Yeah, Wind Moon, Laser Hand, Diamond Eyes. You know, all that stuff. Just, I'm a boomer when it comes to that, man. I mean, I played into it just a tad, but I really restrained myself from going full moon. You know what I mean? Coffee. So yeah, expected to meet some resistance up here because this was the last place that XRP saw some resistance. Once it broke here, and it just went straight up, straight line, almost right to the next stop, as you would expect. Breaking above the POC, straight up to that next high volume node. I mean, easy peasy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So, I mean, guys, sometimes it's just that freaking simple. You get some accumulation. You get a heavy push. I mean, this is a nice push. I mean, you get a really dramatic drop down, but then you get a nice push back up, right? Yeah, you do have this other drop, but you don't set a new low. You don't set a new low. You come up. Now, this is where you do start to get a little scary. A lot of people probably sold off. They did, because kind of got a double top in there. So people sold off thinking that price was going to continue down. They would have just held a little bit longer to the POC. They could have taken profit there at the POC. Then maybe even if you wanted to try a short down to this node, you would have come close. And these are hourly candles, so you're sitting here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get out of the trade. What are you doing? Get out of the trade. Not financial advice, but get out of the trade, man. It's a lot of candles to just be sitting there doing nothing. Get out of the trade. All right. Nice little build up below the POC. Come up. Fight the POC for, let's see. We started hitting our head 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours. Wasn't breaking the POC. But we can come down in here. And take a look at the lower time frames and see what was going on. So this was not it. Here it is, right here. So we kind of have this schematic that we're looking at right on the 1 hour time frame, right here on the 5 minute time frame, which is basically an inverse head and shoulders. That's exactly what this was on the 5 minute time frame. See, you could have picked that off on the 5 minute if you were paying attention to the charts today. But since it's so boring, you stopped paying attention and you missed out on money. And now you didn't get to pay yourself. And now you got to think about taking a short up here at the top at resistance. Even after a nice little breakout, you got to think about taking a short. You got to think about it. You got to see how everything's going on with all your indicators. You got to think about it. You got to think about taking a short from here. I mean, you don't have to. I have to think about it. I have to think about taking a short right here because of you guys. Or actually, I have to think about closing my position, my long. Boop, boop. It's a nice little gainer. What was my entry? So my entry was 35.75. Woo! Got that pullback, son. Got that pullback and that double tap. Oh, I just sold and it's starting to pump again. Here we go. Of course. That's how it always works. But I took profits and I'm happy. With how the market's been, 5% day for XRP. Huh. Maybe we'll go over to the Twitter files. Maybe I'll do that later. I was thinking about going live later. Oh, snap. All right. Are we going God Candle? What's going on right now? Let's go to the top. Very top. The last point of resistance. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Look at this. XRP's just been on a tear. and I'm pissed off because I was in an XRP long, right here, right here, right here. Actually, I mean, to be quite honest, I was waiting on 33 cents, and it got to 33, like 3324. I was waiting on 33 cents. That was gonna be my entry, and I was just gonna hold that for this possible move here. The boringness of markets can sometimes take you out of them. Fair value gap from 0.3658 to 0.3737 on what time frame? Please give me a time frame. Always give me time frames, guys. One hour. Fair value gap. All right, let's go ahead. Let's double click. 0.3658 to 0.373. Oh. Point. What? Why are you not? Give me my dot. Oh, I'm doing something. I'm stupid. Get rid of this. I'm tired of these. Let's try this again. We got one. Coordinate 0.3658. .3737. Bam. Okay. Yeah. Fair value gap right there. I mean, yeah, that makes sense. Let's turn on the Lux algo. Let's see. Bam. Bam. There's your fair value gap. And this is per the KuCoin chart. I would actually put this down here. No, I mean that is on it. 3658. At the top of this order block here. Okay, we've got an order block, and we have the premium zone. One of two things is going to happen here. We're either going to have a pullback and then continue forward, or this thing's just going to rocket up to here. That's what's going to happen. It's going to get up there, I think. In my opinion, it's going to get up there. Back up to about the 38 cent zone. 38 to point. 3786 to 38 cent. No? Yeah. 3799. Yeah, I would go a little bit lower just to be safe. There's no hey, Scar Crypto Face. Let me tell you a little something about XRP. It can run over bot for a long time. For a long time. In a bull market. In a bear market, who knows? We'll see. We do have a lot high. We do have delta volume ramping up in here in the green, in the positive. For those of you that do not know, delta, I've explained this before, but let's do it again. A delta candle. By the way, nobody's taught me. I taught delta by myself. Thank you. I found it on YouTube. Thank you. Nobody had to teach me that. Nobody teach me most of the stuff that I know. So I don't know why people come up on my stuff commenting about how I'm not giving credit about learning something. I learned like one or two things from this guy. Maybe took an analogy or two. But I mean, the whole thing is as far as we got with supply and demand. The strategy is cool. I mean, it works. It's fine. I did learn that you can make a measured move on a balance box. I learned that. And XRP is running. Is running. Took out that order block. But yeah, I mean, give credit to my old mentor, Mario. He blocked me, kicked me out of the Facebook group. That's fine. Go ahead, go to Facebook, go to Futures Traders, and go follow. It's, I mean, you'll learn. You'll learn. You'll learn. You'll learn how to trade the ES very well. And the way you do it, you know, that's just all some people need. I don't have the time for it, so I can't. So I'm just not gonna do it. But for now, I mean, I love crypto, man. It is what it is. I mean, until I can actually sit down and do this for a living, I crypto's 24/7, so it's like all I can do. So, it is what it is. Unless you do Forex, but I don't even. Forex kind of boring, isn't it? You can't leverage fiat. Or what? Wait, can you? I honestly have no idea. So we're coming up into this fair value gap. Got shot down pretty quickly. Let's go to the 5-minute and take a look down here. Oh yeah, I need to go over delta. What's a delta? So your delta is the difference between the buy orders and the sell orders within a given candle. The value of those. So if I go ahead and draw this out here, there's another way to do this. It's so much easier, but I like to make things difficult, and I'm trying to fill space for my stream because I'm streaming. So I'm just trying to fill space. So we've got buys and sells and delta. Okay. So these are your buy orders. There's a total, let's just say, to make math easy, let's just say there's 100 equal orders within this candle. And within that, you have 75 buy orders and 25 sell orders. This gives you a delta of plus 75. Okay. So the reason this is significant is because this just tells you which way the market is, like what trend is the market mostly following, most likely to be following. So you can start getting you can have green candles at the top of a trend, right? And then you can start getting some red delta coming in on your volume. The candle can still be green, and this is what you call a delta divergence. But the candle can still be green, and you can have a negative delta. That's delta divergence. When you see that, that means that there are more sell orders starting to come in. It means distribution. That's what it means. They're releasing supply. And there's more orders of that than there are buys. Okay? So eventually, as the buys keep buying, they keep bidding or asking. They keep asking. And then eventually, they can't sell for any higher. Because all the sell orders are coming in at one price. Then once all those are clear, it's time to move low. It's the way that you've got to think about it, in my opinion. Heart. My crooked, broken heart. I don't know. So, that's your delta. And that is what this is over here. So this is the volume profile, the VRVP, with the delta setting enabled. So if we go to the settings, and I go to this, we can go to volume, and you can change that from up, down, to total, to delta. It's default up, down. I suggest either up, down, or delta. Total's just kind of like, I mean, who cares? But yeah, so this shows the delta at each price level, which I like. And then on the other side, oh, you didn't know that? Well, I'm glad you learned something. If you were talking about me. Yeah, and then on the other side, I just got my up down volume. I shouldn't even use that, to be honest. I should take that off and save that space for another indicator. Should just use the delta. Because who cares? Who cares about the up down volume? I only care about what the delta's saying. Oh! Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave that up. Alright, let's get rid... I don't want to get... Dang it. I got to go through every single one of these things. Of course, my wife is FaceTiming me. Hi, babe. Yeah, I can hear you. Oh, you're using your new headphones. Yeah? Well, my wife has tiny ears, and her ear headphones that I got her for Christmas are keep falling out because she has tiny ears. I'm streaming right now. I put Luke down, and I was like, I'm just going to stream, and I named the stream "Streaming Until My Kid Wakes Up." Yeah. Okay, I love you. Bye. Got a bear pennant forming BTC 4-hour. Sorry, that's a Discord notification. That's not in the chat. So yeah, I hope you learned something from that. Hope you understand delta now. Delta volume. And delta divergence. Which is not a new concept to me. In case people were wondering. Sorry, I'm still a little... Nah, it's all good. It's fine. So on the 4-hour for XRP, it's looking kind of bullish. It's looking bullish. 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 You know what I mean? Shoot up through that fair value gap. Maybe come up here in this area and get rejected. And then waffle around for another month and then just fall down and then shoot back up really fast for a month or two and then it'll fall down again and it'll be horrible and it'll do nothing for a few months and then next thing you know it starts going up really slowly and you won't believe that that's it. It's finally over. The bear market's finally over. And it's starting to tick up, and you won't believe it. You will not believe it until it hits new all-time highs. You just won't believe it. You won't. He said Bitcoin for our bear pennant. I mean, kinda, yeah. Yeah. Still got the music playing. That's fine. As long as it's not overbearing. That's actually kind of more of a reversal. If you take out the that wick there, which I would. It's actually more of a. You see this turn into a reversal pattern more often than not, especially since it hasn't broken down yet. But this is typically. Damn it. Come down, come up. More time you knock on the door. You come up. It's typically a bullish reversal. You do have, so you did come down, bounce hard, hit a floor, come down, big scoop up here, shot up, and then just didn't do anything. Just no trading, basically, for the next week or 5 days, whatever it was. 6 days. It might have been. When did we last see movement? Was it Tuesday? So yeah, almost a week. Come down. I mean, it's hitting that resistance. But it consolidated at that level over here, or picked up some here, came up, dropped some, come up, consolidate again, but underneath there. But on top of here. This is a Bollinger Band oscillator. Showing a higher high, low lows. I consider that bullish, especially with this deep pullback, and it hasn't pulled back near as deep up here. Bitcoin is going to be the last one to move out of all of them. We are starting to see some green with some other altcoins. If we go to the KuCoin Perps, hit change percentage. See what we got. We got XRP leading the way. We got Sushi up 4.7%. We got Ocean up 3.17%. We got ICP up 2.66%. GRT up 2.62%. Flow up 2.55%. Rose up. I want to go to these charts and see like what they're looking like from structure standpoint. Yeah, we do have this fair value gap up here that I do believe will get exposed, taken out right there. That's in between what 17,094, 17,088, 17,387. 17,000 to 17,400 basically. Target 7,400. Entry right freaking here. Right now. Let's see, it could come down a little bit. How you doing, guys? What's up? Hit that like and subscribe. Maybe. Kid's good. I wonder how long he'll nap for. Yeah, this does look like it'll come up. It'll come up. That looks like a good trade, possibly. Let's enter from where we're at right now. Up to here. Recent low as my stop loss. Just below it. That's 4.74 to 1 ratio, 3.34% move. It's a big move for Bitcoin. You've got, so show me 17,387 at the top. That's your target, and 16,706 as a stop loss per the KuCoin spot chart. So not the KuCoin perp chart. It's the KuCoin spot chart. Dollars may vary. Entry may vary. Stop loss may vary. Not financial advice. Let's go down to 1 hour. Let's see what Bitcoin's cooking up in here. Okay. Oh, and just so you guys, let's see. I think it's called reversal. Because it's an ascending triangle. That's what it is. Ascending triangle reversal. Reversal. Hope you're all doing well. Love you guys so much. Thank you for stopping by. There it is right there. Look at that. There's the trade. You're actually supposed to take it right here. You get the breakout. Breakout from the triangle. Come back. Retest the high. And then bounce off. And then go to this target right here. This is your little moon. This is your little moon. Okay? Moon boys, this is your little moon. Okay. We don't trade the breakouts. We trade the pullbacks. That one sounded like it might have hurt your ears. Because I can hear it. If no retest, then you missed the move, fam. Then you missed the move. That's why I'm not waiting for a retest. I see this tap right here. This third and final tap right here. Maybe. Does appear we're starting to get a little more green in the delta. This isn't the one that I want, that I like. This isn't the Delta chart. I pulled it up on the iPad, but did not pull it up on this one. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, you can click that little there. That's the one. Is that the one? That's the one. Delta volume / cumulative delta by Ilie and 05. Iliand. Iliand? I do like that one. Yep. Ah. Oops. You can start seeing, you can see that delta start moving in or coming in. Look, that green delta. It's starting to come up. Starting to come in. Right here. Right at the pinpoint. Now, if you did not know, the pinpoint of a triangle, well, no, that's a symmetrical triangle. That's different. Never mind. Scratch that. That's a symmetrical triangle. Got to get a pullback. That's what a lot of people would do. A lot of people get shaken out too if they buy a pullback, because you break out, come back, you buy the pullback, and then next thing you know, you get a little one more dipperooski in there, and then it goes full send. That can happen. That can happen. So try to get in there before the breakout. But I mean, we got a lot of stuff in the green. We got some stuff moving today. I think we might get our end of year Santa rally. Also, congratulations to Quantum Divergence for winning the Christmas 100 sub giveaway, 100 XRP giveaway contest thing. Yep. Respect to that guy. Mad love and respect to Tino of Traders Reality. Mad love and respect to Frankie Candles. Mad love and respect to anybody else that I've ever learned a few things from in trading, and those that I learned nothing from. Yeah. I mean, that's basically what Quantum Divergence did. He almost basically just guessed the price of that it was at that time at the beginning of the week on Monday. Because guess what? That's where I was at the end of the week on Sunday. It's just like Jesus. So little volatility. I think I was watching a little bit of BitBoy before I came on here. I think he said this was like the lowest volatility in Bitcoin's history or something, longest stretch of low volatility or something in its history. I don't know. Something like that. Don't quote me on it. Oh my god. My dog's sitting here crawling on the floor. I thought it was my kid for a second. I was about to have a heart attack. I would have been like, why is my kid crawling on the floor? How'd he get out here? He's in his crib. He's 9 months old. He can barely pull himself up. Weird. BSV's been moving for some reason. Look at that. Look at that candle. So there's been some weird stuff going on. The reason I even said anything about BSV, which for those that don't know, it is Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. It is a fork, I believe, of the original Bitcoin. And for some reason, this is the real Bitcoin. Yeah. So I haven't looked into it, to be honest. So I don't know. But I do know that a proponent of Bitcoin SV is none other than Dr. Craig Wright. And these opinions are my own. I don't even know the guy, so I don't know him from Adam. Apparently, he had some involvement in the early days of Bitcoin. He claims to be Satoshi Nakamoto. Somehow he has been able to sue people and win that have called him, that have said that he's not Satoshi Nakamoto, but somehow is able to win the lawsuits because he goes after them for defamation or something. He's like, these people make me look bad or something. So I guess you could do that. But I just don't understand why he doesn't have to prove that he's Satoshi Nakamoto in order for him to be defamed by others. You know what I mean? Like, it's very weird to me. Very weird. Very, very weird. This is BCHSV. That's not correct. That's Bitcoin Cash. Was there another fork? Yeah, do you think you know crypto? It's like so impossible to know everything. That's ridiculous. So what are there, like 9,000 something cryptos now? Let's go ahead. Let's go take a look. Or not 9. 20,000? 20? No. Let me guess. 21,452. 22,127. I was close-ish. There's 22,000 cryptos. This like counts like tokens and everything too, though, right? Like what are we talking about here when we say cryptos? Crypto is nothing more than a medium of exchange, people. Stop trying to make it money. It's never gonna be money. Maybe. I mean, it'll be the transfer of value. So we'll make it money. We'll make it money. That's what's gonna happen. Check CRV. Same W he have. CRV. Let's see the CRV. Got some curve. What a curve. Going full degen. Getting a keyboard. Putting it in my lap. Oh wait, I've got to be an adult. I mean, so I did say I was gonna do this, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this Scar Crypto Face. Scar Crypto Face. Alright. We got XRP. I want you guys to take a nice little look at what we are seeing in these cryptos. Okay? There's the XRP. Let's go to sushi. Actually, this one probably already broke out. It did, technically. Up to its next target. But I mean, if I go through all of these, you're gonna see. Except for ocean, apparently. This one's just been. I think this is a project someone's been telling me about. Oh, here we go. Let's bet. On a larger scale. Oh, wow. This one's. Ocean might be. Oh, wait, there's more to it. Let's get these indicators off of here. Speed this thing up. This thing's acting all nutty. What's this look like? Oh, God. Just straight distribution from launch? Nah. This is a KuCoin perp. I need to go to. Wait, it's probably in my KuCoin spot. My KuCoin spot. Oh, wait, I got rid of it. Oh, that sucks. Okay, whatever. Ocean, USDT. Wonder what was listed on first. See, Binance. There we got a lot more data. Okay. It's been holding up. That's pretty good. Yeah. Which one of these? This one. Wow. Hello, Ocean. Just saying. All right. ICP. Internet Computer Protocol. Talk about an epic collapse. But it's my understanding that FTX took advantage of ICP, and dumped their market. That's what's gonna happen, guys. I hope you guys are ready. Outside now. I haven't thought of that. Hold on. We're about to we might be breaking something here. What day did FTX open? Wiki? Here we go. May of 2019. Sorry for the dead air. I'm doing investigative work. Here's the chart. Oh, man. I don't want to get rid of it. I'm going to have to get rid of these indicators. Slowing me down. May of 2019. March. April. May. Shoot straight up. Come back down. Massive crash. FTX starts here. Make a ton of money. Maybe. Dump the market. Crash. Run up. It's interesting. Price was $6,000 in May of 2019 when FTX started. Almost this entire cycle, this past cycle, all of this whole bull cycle right here, almost all FTX was all of this was FTX. When you think about it, I mean, a lot of it was FTX. Think about it. Wow. So, I've been thinking about this, and this has been a little bit of a theory of mine, and that is the fact that we completely wipe out everything. Everything. We have the crypto savvy version of what's going to be playing out. Wanted to say CRV didn't break out as others. Not yet. There's some that are lagging behind. Everything just not to chill, okay? It's only Monday. The stock market don't open till tomorrow. The U.S. stock market doesn't open till tomorrow. But we're getting a preview of what I believe we should be expecting, okay? We're having little breakouts here and there. Santa Rally. I read a whole article on it over the weekend. Something crazy. This is in the, I think I would think of that S&P 500. It's one stock market. Whatever, one of the top 3 between the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones. 78% of the time there's a Santa rally at the end of the year. It was like 16 or 17 years in the past 99 or whatever it was. Only 16 out of 17 years didn't have a Santa rally. So, I guess it's the end of the year shopping spree. I don't know. So it probably has something to do with some tax loopholes or something. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? So I could see, what if we kind of did like a midpoint between when FTX started and the breakout. We just did like a little midpoint. It's like 10,700. Nah. Who knows? Who knows how low we go? With the way that everything's going on in the world today, who knows? Who freaking knows? Who's willing to put their money in? Who's willing to be a hodler right now? Huh? Huh? Who's willing to be a hodler right now? I want to know. Tell me. Who's willing to be a hodler right now? Who's hodling? Who's holding on to the precious crypto? Who's doing it, huh? Who's doing it, huh? BitGet. Whew, DeFi. Only trades. Unaware with only trades. Same. For the most part. I secretly started holding Bitcoin. Secretly. Sorry, not really. I have my XRP and my Bitcoin. Forget about ETH. Forget about it. SEC's gonna sue some folks at ETH, at the Ethereum Foundation. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Now that they've gone proof of stake, it has become much more likely that the SEC will take action. But we'll see. We shall see. Man. What if it does just come all the way back down here because this was all just fake? This was all just FTX. All scams. All the scams. That's what we're doing right now. That's what Crypto Savvy calls it. He calls it the Bitcoin scam bubble washout or something like that. I mean, that's essentially what it's been. It's been a scam washout. The FTX being the biggest, we did create a new low, but that was after FTX. We've been holding up is what I was getting at. We've been holding up, which isn't bad. It's always good. But as Peter Schiffmeister pointed out yesterday on the Twitterverse with his incredible, amazing, beautiful TA where he just put one line on there. It's a very good line. It's a very, very, very good line. Because it does show a clear break of support and a clear back test of resistance. It does show that. It really does show that. It's a very good line. Good line, Peter. Very good line. I'm going to start posting TA with just like one line. Be like, look at it, broke support and now it's resistance, man. Oh yeah. Well, what else good at? What's his name? Oh yeah, Craig Wright, the fake Satoshi, and David Schwartz. That's his name. David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple, co-creator of XRP and the XRP Ledger. They've been going back and forth on Twitter, and they've been going back and forth on Twitter, like really going at it. And Dave Schwartz been talking about just how much full of crap Craig Wright is, basically. Let's just go ahead. Crypto Twitter. Told you we're just having fun today. Fun today. What? That's funny. What was it? Yeah. All right. Let's go to. Hello, Twitter. Do you work? Do you operate? Are you functional? Joel Katz. Joel Katz. Jesus. Come on, guys. What's going on at Twitter, man? Why is this thing acting all stupid? Savvy lives in his world. Savvy lives in his own world. All right. Yeah, so you can see this right here. Craig, anyone can see the thread. You made a very dumb argument. I pointed out it was dumb. You opted to raise completely irrelevant criticisms of me rather than defend your own indefensible nonsense. You're now on a pathetic tirade of deflection. Defend your claim or abandon it. Sorry, I had to put a little bit of emphasis on the syllables. David, you cannot sue someone for their opinion. Rather, if you make a statement of fact and the statement is false and defamatory, that can lead to a cause of action. The reason you can't sue is that you have no cause of action. What I'm saying about you is true. Basically, this guy has been saying that XRP can't scale. XRP doesn't scale. He also says that Bitcoin can transact. No joke. We'll go find the tweet. Where was it? Where did he say it? Hold on. No, it was in that thread. Hold on. Go back. Go back, stupid. Oh, Jesus. Twitter's acting so dumb right now. Anyway, he said 1 million transactions per second. He said XRP can't handle 100 transactions per second. What? It says that Bitcoin, to be more specific, Bitcoin SV, because that's the real Bitcoin, can handle 1 million transactions per second. 1 million transactions per second. I can't even math that. I mean, I can math it, but you know what I mean. Like, okay. Okay. Notice how it's Calvin and Craig who made this about XRP, not me. Craig launched into attacks on XRP, XRPL, and me personally. Calvin, in the tweet above, also tried to make it about me. But another play in their playbook is to accuse everyone else of what they are guilty of. Wait, where's Calvin? Who's Calvin? I'm Calvinized. I'm so Calvin. Who's this guy? Who is this guy? Wow, no, this is dumb. Watch and learn if this is your real opinion. If you are just spouting conflicted nonsense to pump your dysfunctional tech, history will know this also. Who's this guy? Founder of IRE Group and CoinGeek.com. BSV blockchain. Spotted here with Craig Wright. Cute little 36,000 followers. I mean, I can't even get back to 500. Follow me on Twitter at Lunar Beaches. It's that simple, folks. It's that simple. Love it or hate it. You either love me or you hate me. That's just the dang truth. I don't really care. How Bitcoin was saved. Not even gonna look. Let's split. Let's fork Bitcoin. That's the correct word. I don't know why I couldn't think of it. Let's fork Bitcoin for Bitcoin SV. Let's create a website called CoinGeek.com. And let's go ahead and write how we saved Bitcoin on our own website. Did I get an A on the science project? Just like how FTX said, we won't use customer funds. These guys say they saved Bitcoin. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you for saving Bitcoin. Thank you so much. So, yeah. Hobbs' friend? Oh, really? Yep. Bitcoin's still just doing jack squat. XRP, on the other hand. All right. So we're still just chilling. Why is this still on here? Get off of here. All right, guys. Let's see. Where am I? Jesus, 1 hour and 14 minutes. Didn't expect to go that long today. I could go longer too. This was a good one, guys. I'm gonna go. See, this is actually like, an off day for me, so I'm gonna actually go enjoy it a little bit. I need to trade. All right, guys. Yeah, thanks for coming by. If you were here and you stuck around, that's awesome. I love you guys, each and every single one of you. Scar Crypto Face, Underwear Wolf, and anybody else. Yeah, I think so. I had someone else come in here, but yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. I love you. See you in the next video, in the next stream. Hit that like, subscribe, share to all your friends, and yeah. Join the Discord. Discord. Love you guys. Peace. See you around.